Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of Second Time Lapse, and yeah, today we're talking about the mid-back flash swivel chair, or the mesh swivel chair, which is actually the one I'm sitting on right now.
So yeah, we'll be doing the unboxing, the setup, that's basically the assembly, and definitely the review, which we're looking at the comfort level, the style, the price, definitely, and of course the variants out there, the options, and my point of view on the chair, and you guys can pretty much take it up from there. So let's get into business.
So yeah, it came in this box with this two latches, so that I busted it open. And it's just going to be one simple view. It's not so heavy, but I got the yellow color, and this is the flash model 001 YEL, which is on the yellow GG. And let's get to business. So unboxing and setup. There's going to be a lot of time lapse in this video, but come to this piece. This one. We've got the ergonomic back. This is the reason I got it. This one is killing me right now. A few other pieces. So we've got this back. This is heavy. This should be probably the base. But also, individually, the parts are actually quite heavy. The box itself doesn't feel. Yeah, all the parts are very heavy. So, definitely tell you this thing should be durable just from the weight of the parts. Okay, I got our screws in it. And it came with a tool set, but it's gonna use brute force. This is the manual assembly instruction. The rollers. Now this feel actually very cheap. These guys feel very cheap too. So I'll say probably these are the cheapest feeling part of the chair so far. So you could actually assemble this in probably 10 minutes or less. So first trial, it actually feels good, for real. Compared to what I've had before, is that dead boy right there. This feels comfy, it feels good, nice, and feels good. So for setup, and actually I haven't tried this out for the last 3 days now. I would say it's currently my favorite chair in Arsenal, and that is thanks to this 3 levers that you have here. The fact that if I pull all of them off, so this takes me down, so let's do this again. And now I could actually adjust the back very small the way back, and also still tilt the chair, which I really do like. But if you do this, if I lock this in place, I can push this, but now the chair itself is going to rock backwards, and that allows me to pretty much lock in to the precise angle which I like. And this one allows me to lock this up, So let me lock this somewhere here. Okay, so now it's tilted backwards. Yeah, and then if I release this one, I could actually tilt back, bending the whole chair. So just gives you that flexibility to actually adjust any precise location that you want, and you could lock it in. So now I've locked it in this way. So if this is the way I want to be all day, or this is the way I want to be comfortable, then you're good to go. And if I want to release it all, I'll just go full lay back mode and lock it out this way so I can listen. I can do that too. So it's just perfect, and that really makes it ingenious. It's also very, very flexible. The mesh finish pretty much just allows you to be able to relax and have a nice time on it. So yeah, I like this. The color is probably not my favorite, but it looks really pretty. The yellow is more like the gold you have on the back of the iPhones, so it's pretty much. So pricing, at the time which I actually ordered this chair, it was retailing between $131 and $185 for the chair, and I think that is actually pretty much a very extensive gap between a single model of a chair, and I think that's because of the color options. I don't know why they price the color options that way, but there's the all white, no, the white and the black one, which retails for I think $185, and that's the most expensive one. And then it goes all the way down to the 131, which is the all black one, I believe. So depending on what you want, the variation which you like, and there are several colors. So there's blue, there's green, I think, there's orange. I'll put them up in the description below, and I'll definitely put them up in images right next to me now, so you guys can actually see those. So they come in very, very varying colors, and that just makes you have more options on the ones you like and what you want to go for. But that's the price range in which you get them, with most of the nice looking colors ranging between $174 and $185. So is it what the price is? Probably be the end part of the review. I would say, depending on what you're looking for, there are a lot of great chairs below 100, and the best chairs in the world actually right now range between 545 and about 1,300 for the Miller Aeon. And frankly, okay, so I didn't mention this initially, but I did an extensive amount of review. Actually, it took me 2 weeks to actually conclude and decide which chair I was eventually gonna order. And I had that too, so there's a different one coming in, or a second one coming in, which I will definitely do the review and share and do a comparison between both of them at the end of the day. So yeah, stay tuned for that other review. But with that being said, I compared about well over 100 reviews out there, including videos, audios, text, blogs, reviews, and this was probably the best mid-range price that I could get. That wasn't too expensive, but still came in top 10 in a lot of the reviews. So yeah, extensively, I think that's pretty much what it is. If you guys have any question, hit me up, put it in the comments or description which chairs you guys would like me to review next, or which also items you'd like me to probably assemble and show up, like DIYs or whatnot. Just put it in the comment section below, and I'll definitely make a video of some of the ones with the highest likes or whatnot, or the one I can probably get my hands on fastest and put it out there for you guys. So thanks for watching, and catch you guys on Thursday now, on Saturday for the next review. See you guys soon. Ciao.